Hey friends, welcome to all JavaScript जर्नी। आज से हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं JavaScript। सो यहाँ पे कुछ पार्ट्स हैं जो कि हम लोग पूरा कवर कर रहे होंगे एक तरफ से अच्छा खासा पूरा। जितने भी लोग चैनल पे नए हैं वो लोग चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेंगे। फाइनली JavaScript हम लोग स्टार्ट कर चुके हैं। फर्स्ट पार्ट में इंट्रोडक्शन फॉर प्रोग्राम and the variables, data types, operators, if else, switch, loops, functions, array, strings, objects, geom, event, ES6, async JavaScript, promise क्या होते हैं, async await क्या होते हैं, error handling, JavaScript interviews, questions, JavaScript automation with playwright। ये सारे के सारे हम लोग कवर करने वाले हैं। जस्ट आप लोग की जर्नी स्टार्ट हो चुकी है। मोस्टली जितने भी लोग हमारे इस चैनल पे हैं सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेंगे। सो चलिए हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट व्हाट इज़ दिस द इंट्रोडक्शन के बारे में हम लोग कहीं से भी हेल्प ले रहे होंगे, बट हमको क्या करना है, सीखना है। सीख करके हमको क्या करना है, बस जॉब लेनी है। जस्ट आवर नीड जॉब, यू नीड जॉब। If you want to secure that the future jobs, you learn this more skills. If you have the skills, you can stable any companies like the Google, Microsoft, Infosys, Amazon, Tata. Like there are many company in the India, you can stable anymore. If you have the more skills. First, just let's go start now. That's introduction. What is the JavaScript, right? We will learn. I will teach you that the help of the ChatGPT, and uh, I will explore my skills. Just I have the more knowledge, and you also learn more things. Just I'm exploring that something. Here there are so many questions and the answer. If you want to learn more skills anywhere, you can learn that. Don't see that this is not good things. On, because you are learning, just if you are learning, you can any you platforms, you can go to any platforms, you can learn, right? Just here platform, just ChatGPT is the very best platform that for the learning. You can see that what is JavaScript. Here हम देख के चलते हैं next. Copy these parts and not here copy. I will copy to all things just like this. Copy, come on the notepad, and here. So यहाँ पे लिखते हैं just JavaScript day 1। डे 1 हम लोगों का JavaScript का है। यहाँ पे हम लोग लर्न कर रहे होंगे। फर्स्ट व्हाट इज दिस, like that. Validating, yeah. That's the first question. What is the JavaScript? JavaScript basically first let's understand what JavaScript is. JavaScript is a programming language used to make web page interactive and the dynamic. For example, clicking button, a button displayed a message, validating if form, changing content, and creating animations can be done using the JavaScript. सो जो जावास्क्रिप्ट का हमारा लैंग्वेज है, ये स्क्रिप्टिंग लैंग्वेज, जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस इज अ स्क्रिप्टिंग लैंग्वेज। सो आप क्लिकिंग कर सकते हैं, जस्ट एग्जांपल क्लिकिंग, आप बटन, सो क्लिकिंग ये बटन, एक बटन को बना सकते हैं क्लिक करने के लिए। जब डिस्प्लेइंग ए मैसेज, एक मैसेज को डिस्प्ले कर सकते हैं डेस्कटॉप पे कहीं पे भी। जस्ट वैलिडेटिंग ए फॉर्म, एक फॉर्म को वैलिडेट करवा सकते हैं, एंड द कंटेंट, सो एंड क्रिएटिंग एनिमेशन, सो आप एक एनिमेशन को क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, कैन बी डन यूजिंग जावास्क्रिप्ट। आप ये सब सारी चीज़ें किसके साथ डन कर सकते हैं, ये जावास्क्रिप्ट के साथ। सो जस्ट इट इज़ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट, so when any person asks the question that what is JavaScript, so you say that JavaScript is the programming language used to programming language, and you say that scripting language to make the page interview and the dynamic. For example, clicking a button, displaying a message, validating a form, changing content, and creating animation can be done using the JavaScript. Okay, so going to the next, on the next, just like this, give me the 1 minute, and I'm saying that. Okay, so next part, what is this? So you see that the right HTML, CSS, the JavaScript, the logic and the behavior. So when JavaScript the mostly use the developers, and the sometimes you when we use the playwright, and the some like Cypress, so then we use that language. Okay, and say HTML creating. So where is use that? So okay, copy here and come on the system. Okay, where here paste like this, and third question, what that, where is JavaScript used? हम JavaScript का use कहाँ करते हैं, like just you say that the JavaScript the mainly known for development, but today it can be used in many areas, right? Just front end developers, back end developers, and the automation testing, mobile development, web application. So here all members like developers use for the developing, and backend developers just use the backend Node.js, you know that, and the automation tester use for the automate web application, and the mobile developers so use the React Native, and the web application, so you know that the creating the, if you I want to create the web application, so we use that JavaScript. Okay, and we are going, I will go that the fourth question, what, so create your first JavaScript if you want to just test starting code, like here you say that this is a VS code, and this is a editor, and here we will create what, we will create that file of the JavaScript. Here you say that the plus buttons, and you will click on the plus button and create the first Java. So you create that what file, JavaScript day one. Okay, so dot what extension, what is this, JS. So when you will create any files like doc files, the PDF, and any HTML file, so you use that extension. And the last time dot the HTML, PDF, dot docs, dot JS, dot Java, dot TS. So like this is the extension. It tells about that which types your files, like this files is the JavaScript, and then you enter, and you will come on the file, and open a file. I will open file, and here you will write the some script, like suppose I want to write the script. So here we will print that the code. What is this? And here we will print the code, console. No, firstly we will use that the let 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 what suppose day equal to day में what print कराते हैं one. Okay, and then we use that printing line console dot log, and use the parenthesis. In the parenthesis we will pass that what variable. So day, what is this? Day is the variable, and one is the value of the day. So we are storing that one in the day, and here this line is the printing line, the console.log, and we are passing that what we are passing that variable day. In the day I have stored the one, and after creating, then if I will run this script, so we will give that one. Okay, so here you show that 1 minute, just run here, and run without debugging. So here show that. Okay, so analyzing the dependencies, analyzing JavaScript. Okay, and then I can run this. You see that the play button, run code, that's run, and you see that in the output, so one is printing, and so as like this we can use the more things. Suppose we store that const. What is the const? If you use this keyword, so you cannot change an next time. Suppose I have used this one, and what is equal to that what 19, and I want to print that console.log. Okay, console.log, not a dot, log, and I want to print that 19. So we will pass what variables, and then if you want to use that this this so you can use that this is a ending point, semicolon, and run the button. So here you see that I'm not just save this, so you can see that 19. So if you want to change that like this, if you want to use that age equal to 12, so when you will print that console.log, and print that what, and print age, we will pass the age variable, and then we will click on the here. So we will, so firstly we will store that. So here you can see that the error what, so we will get the error, type error, assignment through the content variable, constant variable. So here showing that constant variable. So if you are using the constant variable, so we cannot change the value of the constant variable. Okay, so just give me the 1 minute, then I am coming. Okay, Just give me minutes. Okay. Okay. Okay, everyone. So you see that the here showing that what? So you see that assignment to the constant variable. So here the constant, what the constant the keyword that, and date was is this, age is the variable. So here I am writing that variable. Okay, value. यहाँ पे हम लोग एज को क्या कर रहे हैं, एज व्हाट इज दिस, reassign. Wow. Okay, everyone. Okay. So if you want to use that the HTML, just I want to create that and the copy this HTML file code and the come on the page and here you can create that one file like that file name what, here we can create the new file and the file name index.html and enter. यहाँ पे हम लोग पेस्ट कर देते हैं जस्ट दिस इज जावा प्रोग्राम्स जावास्क्रिप्ट प्रोग्राम्स एंड HTML एंड रन करते हैं। फिर उसके बाद हम लोग आते हैं कहाँ पे, ब्राउजर्स में। सो हियर यू सी दैट द ब्राउजर्स, okay, just HTMLs, and we'll come and the folder where we have stores. So I have created on the desktop, and what, let JavaScript, and under the JavaScript we will go and you see that the index, and here we right click, and you, if you want to right click, so you can the right click, and you will go that the HTML page and the web page, okay.